Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to get into Luvme hair. This is a 20 deep wave glueless 13x4 frontal. This was a quick and easy install. The lace was already pre-plucked, but I did pluck a little bit more in. I did bleach the knots. The curls are very soft and very manageable. And it's a beginner friendly wig. Like literally it did not take a lot of time to install this unit. So if you guys like this look, please continue watching. So it came in this cute packaging. It also had a brush and also a wig cap inside. And this is how the curl pattern is straight out of the box. And then this is the inside, the construction of the wig. And also it came with this elastic band, so you don't necessarily have to glue down the hair. It could be a glueless wig install. Here's the inside. I did bleach the knots and the wig was pre-plucked as you guys saw prior, but I did go in and tweeze a little bit more. Okay. So here is the hairline. If you guys hear it, I have two fans. It's hot. So, but here is the hairline right here. It's a nice hairline. I'm gonna pull that over a little bit, but as you guys can see. So I'm gonna clip the ear tabs first. So you guys know I like to work in sections. So after I clip the ear tabs, I'm gonna cut the front and the other side, so it's 3 sections to work from. So I'm gonna use my Even extra firm hold, and I'm gonna do 2 layers of that and then Cool. I'm gonna spray it twice and then Cool. I was so lazy and it was so hot that I just used the fan that I had in my hand. I did not want to use the blow dryer. So you guys probably question like, girl, what are you doing with that little handheld? I'm just using the handheld. It was hot. It gave me a little cool air. And that was that, okay? So here you see me cutting with the razor the hairline. It did come with a little extra hairline, so I had to cut a little further in than expected. So that's what you see me doing here right now. So now I'm just gonna put my elastic band on and let it sit for a few minutes just to melt the hairline. So I'm gonna define the part and then use my Carrot wax stick to define and flatten. I'm also gonna put my ORS olive oil, a little bit of glossing polish just to give a little sheen up here. The hair is super soft. So here I'm just using the hot comb and I'm just really flattening that part and flattening the top of the unit. So here's the hairline after it was melted. I'm just gonna hot comb and define a little bit more and also tweeze that part. I'm just gonna take my powder and kind of define the part a little bit. And I'm going to use my Root Touch Up that I got from the beauty supply store. And just define. Just define the part. So here I'm just doing 2 swoop baby hairs, nothing too heavy, something very light and natural. Y'all know I'm not a good baby hair girl, like I'm still learning. So yeah, I'm just gonna do 2 swoops and call it a day. I'm gonna use some mousse. I'm going to use my Argan Oil Cream of Nature mousse. The curl pattern is very nice. So this is it wet, this is it dry and like fluffed out. So I'm gonna give it a minute so it could like dry, so you guys can see the curl pattern when it dries. This is it a little damp. Here's the part. I'm gonna come back and show you it when it's a little dry, the curl pattern. So this is how it looks. I have a fan here, so it's blowing. It's giving me Beyonce, but yeah, this is how it looks. I just wanted light blue baby hairs. I'm trying to comb it out because the show. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Show you the back. Yeah, so this is like a quick, nice, cute, everyday wearable unit from Luvme Hair. So if you like this install, I have other videos that you guys can watch. Just click right here. Come on, just click and like and subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you. Bye.